Alright guys, so right now I'm gonna do a nah. This is a 2-month update of the OtterBox Lifeproof case, and so far you can tell this monster really effed this case up pretty good. Number one, remember I told you guys how this USB port, the latch was kind of hard to open and close? Well, Kardashian over here just ripped that shit out. Number one.
Just fell off.
Number two, she got makeup gunk. I don't know if you can see it.
Makeup gunk? Let me see.
She got all this crap.
It's not makeup gunk.
Look how nasty the screen is, man. Shit is nasty, yo. I mean, if Lifeproof can't fucking, like, what is this, man? Like, you got, is this airwax? Like, what the hell is this shit on the?
That's lipstick.
This is some straight up nastiness. What am I gonna do now? What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna replace that case with the incipio case, which I originally bought, but I felt like it didn't have enough protection, so I got this case because I know how she is. Another thing that's been pissing me off about this case is that when you call someone, you can't really, like, you know, hear the person speaking because all these microphone ports are kind of, like, you know, closed off. So she loves having me on speakerphone. So when she is trying to communicate, it gets really frustrating. So I'm gonna take this shit off and I'm gonna install a screen protector. Let me see. And I'm gonna install this incipio case. Put this back in.